Dad, can I help?
Yeah.
No, it's my turn to come in.
Hold on.
Buddy? She should be shut up now. You don't think
Oh no.
Listen to this a little bit.